This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power the phone off and expose the edges. Apply steady, gentle heat, 40 to 50 degrees for 30 to 60 seconds, so the adhesive softens without warping the screen. Once done, use a corner lift with a fingernail or plastic pick. Pry one corner just enough to slide a plastic card beneath. Move slowly and reheat short bursts if resistance increases. You do this because heat lowers glue viscosity, letting the protector separate without cracking or leaving deep residue. You continue by maintaining controlled motion. Once a corner is up, slide the plastic card along the edge in slow, even strokes while pulling the lifted corner. Reheat every 10 to 20 seconds to keep adhesive pliable. This prevents sudden snaps and glass chips. Use only plastic tools to scrape off any remaining protector pieces. Metal risks scratching the display. If you hit stubborn spots, stop and reapply heat rather than forcing movement, because mechanical stress causes cracks more often than adhesive strength does. Once the protector is off, you tackle glue residue. Saturate a microfiber with 90% isopropyl and wipe in gentle circular motions to dissolve adhesive without harming coatings. For stubborn patches, lift with adhesive remover gel or press and peel with strong tape. Make sure to test a small area first. Dry thoroughly and let the screen air for 10 to 15 minutes to evaporate solvents. Troubleshooting tip: if haze or streaks remain, repeat cleaning with fresh microfiber and avoid rubbing too hard to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.